Rua dos Cavaleiros. And let me just give a little bit of context. We're gonna walk around in here a little bit. This will be our base. There's kind of a cool looking building right here, this red one, which I always like when I'm in this area. And over here, there's actually some rooftops that are equally interesting as well. So we're gonna capture this, and let me just put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, here we are at the top of the street. So this is the Cavaleiros at the top. We're just gonna start here. There's a nice little park directly right there. You can also see some buildings in the distance. There's a little memoria shop, maybe for souvenirs, because we're not too far from Sao Paulo ruins, the backside of it. This is Thomas Vera. So we're gonna be walking into this little space down here. And our street is a little bit short, but we're going to, basically we're documenting some of the streets of Macau, and it connects to this neighborhood that's kind of interesting. And while the street ends right there, I'm just going to highlight some of the other stuff around here, because there's this beautiful red building that I'm always find myself attracted to. So we're going to walk into that real quick and just let you see what it looks like. Yeah, this red one right here. I know it's a little bit off of our target street, but I also like to give some context to where we are exactly. And so this little neighborhood is not too far from Kungwu Hospital and Sao Paulo ruins. And this street, this building is so photogenic. It's amazing. So beautiful. This is called Aguia. I should be filming Aguia as well. That looks interesting as well. Anyways, we're getting off of our coolness. Maybe I should just film Aguia. Let's combine the two. So we're gonna actually do two, Cavaleiros and Aguia. And I guess what I'll do is I'll go in a complete circle so we can capture all of them, which is probably good because the video, let's capture that real quick. There's this particular street, Aguia. And then this one, these little community, right? Lots of these little side streets. Here's a little Flores Street. Then we also have Rosario, which is like the Rosary, Catholic Rosary. I believe Cavaleiros is let me just kind of capture all the side streets here. Even at some awnings, that red awning, it's kind of interesting. Chick Chat. So I imagine this was takeout. Okay, so let's go out onto the main street here. Okay, so we're going to be going and catching the backside of our street in just a moment. The downhill side. There's a barber shop there. And this was the street that I was originally going to film. We got two hair salons. So you got a hair salon here to the left, and then a little restaurant to the right. Let's see. And then we're gonna actually can even sit outside. It's kind of cool. There's more chairs to the right as well. Okay, so our street is relatively small. I have somebody that I know who has an artist studio here, but I won't point it out of because he may or may not want me to do that. But it is in this area, and I have seen some other kind of art community spaces throughout this area as well. So it's kind of prime for that stuff, especially since you have these walkable streets that can be beautified in so many different ways. And when you have more, here's a magic performance, magic consultants, magic lessons. Huh. Cavaleiros. That's that red building again. So we're gonna go up so that we can capture it. Huh. City of Dreams. That's interesting. I'll tell you why. But when the casino is in Macau, there's a nice balcony up there. It's interesting as well. If this actually became really like a popular spot, it'd be an amazing location to have a restaurant to overlook some of this area. Huh. There's another City of Dreams reference right there too. I'll tell you what that means in a moment. Okay, so let's go up to where that red building, the street of where the red building is at, and then we're gonna go down that one. So City of Dreams, there's a shop right there with some, I think, antique pieces or religious symbols. There's another one over there too. So this area could be quite prime for something interesting. Aguia. Okay, so let's walk down Aguia. Need to see. Okay, so let's go down. So the City of Dreams, why that's interesting to me is because the City of Dreams, some of the casinos, including City of Dreams, they all pledge money to renew their contract that they're going to invest in the city. Look how beautiful it is. And so so they are putting money into certain streets like Rua de Felicidade, and another part of the city. I don't know about this part of the city or not, but the fact that they have those stamps are either two things. One, they're advertising, or number two, we're gonna walk. So this is our target street here. That was our other target street there. I just want to focus on this red building because it's so beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. So one of the things they're doing is pumping money into revitalizing the city. And this may or may not be part of that plan. But it could be, because we're really close to Sao Paulo ruins. So this whole area could be gentrified and beautified and whatever else. Look how cool that is. They're all bamboo, and then they cut off some of them and they put different stuff in it. There's that beautiful red building right there. We even have this little thing there too. And then we're gonna come to an end by the shrine. So not too far from us is Kimu Hospital, and also the back of Sao Paulo ruins. Nice, beautiful shrine. Some nice detail. You can see some of the detail up in the up there. Okay, so we're gonna come up around to the corner here. This is Rua de Figueira. Okay. And then we're gonna come to an end. So anyways, we got to see Cavaleiros Street and Aguia Street. And we're just kind of walking by this temple right here, and then we're gonna come to an end. And then straight ahead, way up there is the fortress, Mont Fortress. Okay. And Sao Paulo ruins is just to the right. And then we're gonna come to an end right here. So we were just in 2 streets just down this way. And we'll end our video right here. Hope you like that one. Slice of Macau.